powerful a position as you hold in the marketplace and as innovative and pioneering your product portfolio, that's no insurance against all the change and challenge and uncertainty that you face, whether it's from customers who wake up every day demanding, what's next, what's amazing? Or whether it's from innovators who pop up from anywhere and everywhere to rewrite the rules of competition, or the external factors we are constantly dealing with, whether it's economic uncertainty, climate catastrophe, social unrest, the digital transformation of everything, profound questions about work and business. In this context, your fundamental task as leaders, as contributors in every single role, isn't just to figure out how do I deal with each new wrinkle. It's to cultivate the capacity to change as fast as change itself. Now, I've been working on this problem for the better part of like 2.5 decades in organizations of every size and stripe. And I can tell you, this is not a capacity that's built from the boardroom down. Each of you, whether you're a service engineer or you're a sales leader, whether you're in the field or you're in the marketing department, each of you has a role to play in strengthening and deepening this organization's capacity to adapt and to innovate. So I'd like to spend my very brief time that I have with you today exploring what does that actually look like in practice for you in all of your various roles, offering up a playbook for cultivating change capacity and sharing a set of strategies and on-ramps for amping up your own impact and playing a meaningful role in shaping the future of this business.